Hello and welcome, dear listeners and viewers. You're tuned in to English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and joining me is the amazing Altaf.
Thank you, Ikra. Hi, everyone. I'm so glad to be here with you today. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic: how to start speaking English.
That's right. A lot of learners feel nervous when they start speaking English. They don't know where to begin. So today we will give you simple and practical tips that will help you build confidence and start speaking English with ease.
And don't worry, we're going to keep everything very easy to understand. Whether you are just starting or want to improve your speaking skills, this video is for you.
Let's begin. Altaf, many people say, I understand English, but I can't speak it. Why does this happen?
That's a very common problem, Ikra. The main reason is fear. Learners are afraid of making mistakes. They feel shy or nervous. But the truth is, making mistakes is a part of learning.
Yes, that's so true. When we were kids, we made mistakes while speaking our own language too. But we kept trying, and that's how we learned.
Exactly. So the first tip is, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just speak. Even if it's not perfect, it's okay. The more you speak, the better you will become.
That's a great tip. Now let's talk about the second one. Start with simple sentences. You don't need big vocabulary or difficult grammar at the beginning. Just use the words you already know.
Yes. For example, you can say, "My name is Allie," or "I like tea." These are simple and useful sentences. You can use them every day.
And you can also try talking about your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I go to school. I eat breakfast. These are common and easy sentences.
That brings us to the third tip. Speak English every day. Practice is the key. Even if you speak for just 10 minutes a day, it will help you a lot.
Absolutely. And if you don't have someone to practice with, you can talk to yourself in the mirror. You can describe what you are doing. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. This is a very effective method.
Yes, Ikra. Many successful English speakers started this way. Talking to yourself is not strange, it's smart.
Now let's move to tip number 4. Listen and repeat. Listening is very important. You can listen to English videos, songs, or short stories. Then repeat what you hear.
That's right. Repeating helps you improve your pronunciation and sentence structure. It's like learning a song. First you listen, then you sing along.
Exactly. And another tip is think in English. This one may be a little hard at first, but it's very powerful. When you see something, try to name it in English.
Yes, like if you see a cup, think cup instead of your native word. If you are hungry, think I'm hungry. This habit will help you speak English naturally.
Great. Tip number 6. Learn common phrases. Don't just focus on single words. Try to learn full phrases and expressions.
For example, instead of learning the word hungry, learn the phrase I am hungry. It's more useful when speaking.
Yes, and you can also learn questions like, what is your name? Where are you from? These are very common in conversations.
Now let's talk about another important thing. Don't wait to be perfect. Many learners wait until they feel 100% ready, but that time never comes.
Yes, if you wait to be perfect, you may never start. Start speaking now with what you know. Your English will improve with time.
Let's also talk about confidence. Be confident when you speak. Even if you make mistakes, speak with confidence. People will understand you better.
And remember, everyone learns at their own speed. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your journey and keep improving.
Iqra, what do you think about joining a speaking group or club?
That's a wonderful idea. Joining an English conversation group is a great way to practice. You get a chance to speak with others and learn together.
Yes. And if you can't find a group nearby, you can join online groups or language exchange apps. The goal is to use English in real life.
Also, use your phone in English. Change your phone's language settings. It will help you learn new words and get used to English quickly.
That's a smart trick. And one last tip before we end, keep a speaking journal. Every day, record yourself speaking English. Talk about your day, your thoughts, your plans.
Yes, that helps in two ways. You practice speaking, and later you can listen to yourself and notice your mistakes and improvements.
Let's quickly review what we have learned in today's video.
First, don't be afraid of mistakes. Second, start with simple sentences. Third, speak every day, even to yourself. Fourth, listen and repeat. Fifth, think in English.
Sixth, learn common phrases. Seventh, don't wait to be perfect. Eighth, speak with confidence. Ninth, join speaking groups or apps. 10th, use English in your daily life, change phone settings. Keep a journal.
These are small but powerful steps. If you follow them daily, you will see real progress in your English speaking skills.
That's right. English is not just a subject, it's a language. And like any language, you learn it by using it.
Thank you so much for listening and watching this episode of English with Altaf. We hope these tips will help you start speaking English confidently.
Yes. And remember, the key is practice and patience. Speak a little every day, and soon you'll be speaking a lot with ease.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing. See you in the next episode.
Take care and goodbye.